Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the system that we fit in the Ford BABF and focus on the section of the air conditioner control. So this car got the factory ICC air conditioner control malfunction. So at this moment we already replaced it with a new one, perfectly in, and it works well. So what we want to tell you, the new panel here, it will work blindly. If you want to play with it and you don't really want to see it, you can press the function and it will work straight out. This one, press it, it works. Okay, all good. But one thing is, if in case you want to see it, okay, if in case you want to know actually what you are doing, then you do like what I do, and you now see the full air conditioner control on the screen like this. Okay, so on off AC, air in and air out. Okay, and air up and air down. Okay, up and down, and temperature up and down. Okay, cooler and higher, and you change the mode. You change the mode, you change the mode, you change the mode, you change the position. Yep, that's all about how the new system working, and you can see exactly what you are doing. That's the way, the design, the new design coming out, and they come out like that. And yep, that's how the air conditioner control work on our system 7-inch with the uh, what else, Ford BABF, and this one is Ford BA 2004 XR6 turbo. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.